This tutorial will demonstrate how to use some of the Misericordia Library's resources. From the library's homepage, you'll find contact information as well as the searching options for our books, articles, and databases. The first tab will be for circulating and reference books. The second will help you search for articles, and the third for Journal Finder if you know a particular journal citation. Databases are the best place to look if you need scholarly research about your topic. Databases contain journals, and journals contain research articles, case studies, and other types of information. An example of a database that we have is CINAHL, in which you can find many titles, such as the Journal of Medical Ultrasound. You should begin your search in this search box under Databases tab. Say you're looking for a scholarly article about quality assurance in sonography. You could begin your search broadly and then add and modify your search terms within the database. To find the most relevant databases for your topic, click on the link for Databases by Subject. On this page, you'll see all of the subject areas we teach at Misericordia. You'll want to click on the Health Sciences link to next find all of the databases most appropriate for this field. You can browse the descriptions of the databases and coverages dates to find what is most applicable to you. For our example, we'll start by using CINAHL, which is hosted by EBSCO and has allied health articles. To cast our net even wider, we'll click on the Choose Databases link above the search box and add Academic Search Complete, which is a general academic type database, Medline, which is hosted by the National Library of Medicine, and Health Source for additional health-related articles. We'll click OK now to search across all of these databases. You can add more or less depending on your preferences. Next, we'll enter Quality Assurance in the first box and check the checkbox under Search Options for Peer-Reviewed. This will search all of our selected databases at the same time. In a moment, you'll see the list of these database articles that appear in just peer-reviewed journals. Remember to use the evaluation criteria to make sure your articles are truly academic in nature. When you enter your keywords and click Search, you'll be brought to the EBSCO database interface. So now we'll want to narrow it a little bit further. First, you can enter more search terms. We'll add ultrasonography and keep the drop-down menu on AND, which means we're searching for those terms together. Next, we'll want to filter our results by publication date to find something current, say within the last 5 years. At this point, you can begin to look through your narrowed results to see whether they are relevant to your research. If you find an article that interests you, you can click on the title for more information and then click on the PDF or HTML file if one is available. In the column to the right, you'll also find options to email the article or export it to RefWorks if you have an account there. If you click on the Cite button in the toolbar, you will get what EBSCO believes is the full citation of the article in APA format. Make sure, though, that you check over the citation to ensure that everything about the formatting is correct. Often in a citation generator, such as those found in EBSCO even, there will be misinformation. You can always check your citations against the APA Manual, Electronic References Guide, or ask me or the Writing Center for more information on APA citations. If we do not have an article in full text, I can help you locate it via interlibrary loan, which will have the article emailed to you from another location within 3 to 5 days. You can also try changing your search terms or adding new terms and use different databases like PubMed or Cochrane to strengthen your search strategy. When in doubt, refer to the course guide or LibGuide for sonography listed here online for additional resources on locating articles, books, ebooks, and other resources. You'll also find more information on how to cite your sources properly and reminders on how to gauge the reliability of a resource. If you have any questions at all, please call or email me. I'll be glad to help with your research and look forward to hearing from you soon.